There were 75 coins in this bag. You've only given me 50. Where are the rest? You must have taken them.
Gold coins and the selfish man. Sam was a very greedy man. All he cared about was money.
He didn't mind cheating people to earn more, and he never liked sharing. He also paid his workers very little. One day, something happened that changed his life. Sam lost a small bag with 50 gold coins. He looked everywhere for it but couldn't find it. His friends and neighbors helped him search, but the bag was gone. A few days later, the young daughter of one of his workers found the bag. She told her father, and he quickly realized it belonged to Sam. So he decided to return it. When he gave the bag back, he asked Sam to check if all 50 coins were there. Sam was happy to get his money, but instead of thanking him, he tried to trick him. There were 75 coins in this bag. You've only given me 50. Where are the rest? You must have taken them. The worker was shocked and said he hadn't stolen anything, but Sam didn't believe him and took the case to court. The judge listened to both sides. He asked the worker and his daughter how many coins they found, and they both said 50. Then he asked Sam, "Are you sure your bag had 75 coins?" Sam said yes. The judge thought for a moment and then said, "If Sam lost a bag with 75 coins, then this bag of 50 coins isn't his. It must belong to someone else. If anyone reports losing 75 coins, we'll return it to Sam. But since no one has claimed 50 coins, I'm giving these 50 coins to the girl and her father for their honesty." In the end, Sam lost his money because of his greed, and the honest people were rewarded.
Moral of the story.
Greed can make you lose what you already have, but honesty always brings its own reward.